Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Purfit Design Buffalo Slim Bifold Wallet. This wallet was sent to me from Purfit Design, but everything that I say in this video are my own thoughts and opinions. It currently comes in black and cognac. I'll put a link to Amazon in the description if you're interested. My first thought when receiving this wallet is that it smells really good. This wallet is made out of genuine leather, and I highly recommend taking a sniff of this wallet right when you receive it. It may be the best smelling wallet that I've ever smelled. You have a total of 8 slots to carry things like cards and cash. On the front, you have 2 card slots for your most frequently used cards. I usually keep my debit card in one slot and a credit card knife in the other. On the back, you have a magnetic money clip. It's very secure and I trust it with holding my cash even though it's only a couple of dollars. But it can hold up to 10 bills if you have that many. You can easily lift up the tab to get quick access and it'll snap back into place thanks to the magnets. I really like the snap fastener thingy because it keeps the wallet closed even if you drop it. It's very easy to lock and unlock the wallet, but it's very secure. On the left side, you have 2 card slots. On the right, you have another card slot and a clear spot for your ID. There's a little cutout on the center to get your ID out more easily. There are also 2 interior side slots that you can use to hold receipts or more cash if you wanted to. You do have the money clip on the exterior of the wallet, but you can use these slots if you have more than 10 bills or if you just want to hide your more larger bills. The build quality of this wallet is great. It's made out of genuine leather like I mentioned before, and it will develop a good looking worn out look like with other leather products. The stitching also looks really solid. What I really like about this wallet is that you can't find any sort of logo anywhere on this wallet. Oh yeah, this wallet is RFID protected, which is great. Even the front 2 quick access card slots are RFID protected. Overall, the Purfit Design Bifold Wallet is a solid choice if you're looking for a new wallet. It smells great, has good build quality, and can hold a lot of cards and cash without it getting too bulky. Again, I'll leave a link in the description to Amazon if you're interested. That was my video review of the Purfit Design Buffalo Slim Bifold Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!